Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the trender indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the trender indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 539 indicators, with 231 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today we are testing the trender indicator, and you can see it here on screen. This is a cheat country indicator, and so for those of you who have been around for a while watching my videos, you'll know that Cheat Country, the creator of the indicator, does this bar coloration, which in this particular case actually helps us out a little bit. Most of the time we try to turn those off, but in this particular case, I'm going to go ahead and leave it on. So this is kind of a two-part indicator. Let me actually scoot back here because it's a little bit easier to see. So what we were looking for first and foremost is the blue line in relation to the black line. When the blue line is below the black line, then we are in an overall short trend. When the blue line is above the black line, then we are in an overall uptrend. Once we have determined the overall trend that we are in, then we are looking for our entries on kind of a shorter trend. And then we look for this line right here that is kind of trailing along, going from red to green, kind of squared off edges. And what we are looking for is when price is below that line, then we are in a short-term downtrend. So if we are in a long-term downtrend with the blue line below the black, and we have the price action below the other line here, the short term, then we are going to get a short signal. And so when the candles turn red, that's when we are looking to go short. Then on the reverse side, when the blue line is above the black and we get a green candle, which means that price action is above the short term kind of trend line there, then we are going to go long. So that's the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so the first signal we got was a short signal right here. So that blue line is below the black. And then you see that we get a red candle right here, indicating that price action is below the short-term trend line there. And price action kind of rode sideways for a moment there, pushed up and got really close to our stop before it was able to push down there and get to our take profit. And on that same candle that we got to take profit, the close of that candle gave us another short opportunity where price slowly made its way down and hit the take profit once again. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we pick up a long signal right here on the next trade. We see that that blue line's above the black, and we get a green candle. Price action pushes up, gets us to our take profit right there pretty easily. And then we pick up another long right here as we get another set of green candles, again pushing up really nicely there, getting us to our take profit once again. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. So it'll give us a lot of trades within 1 year, so that is good. Let's get in and focus here. We'll go ahead and count them out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So we have 26 trades all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 winners. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. It tried. It was just giving too many trades within 1 year, a lot of them being false signals. And so unfortunately, this one is just not going to work out for what we need. And so it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.